You've seen them on social media, tiny drones doing impossible stunts, but hey, race the truth of mini drones under are complete garbage. Today I tested over drones, crash tested, battery drain, camera compared, and only 5 made the cut. Number 3, it almost flew away on its own. You have to see this, stay till the end for the one drone that beats drones twice its price. Let's fly. Starting at number 1. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is unusual in that it's cheap, surprisingly good quality, and fits in the pocket. Unlike a lot of drones, it doesn't even need a remote control, so you can take advantage of the relatively rugged design and get great videos of you out and about on your travels very easily. The weight is also very low, making it extra safe. That's great if you're traveling with a family, and also good because you can sensibly use it in more locations. It's not just a fraction below the 249G restriction, it's almost half that. The downside is that you're looking at a drone which has a lower battery life than some, but, especially for grabbing clips of your travels, it still has a pretty good amount of power, and you can top it up with any USB-C charger. The standout brilliance of the Neo, though, is the flexibility. Not only is it a selfie drone you can launch from the palm of your hand, but you can control it with a traditional sticks controller or one of DJI's floating joystick-style FPV, first-person view, controllers. In fact, it's essentially the cheapest way to get an FPV drone with digital FPV video, and DJI has a choice of goggles. Neither are as cheap as the drone itself, but they let you sit inside it remotely, which isn't possible with a lot of more expensive drone. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. A light drone that folds up small, yet has camera and safety specs that can compete with the big boys? Absolutely. It does, of course, also come with a similar price tag, so choosing the Mini 4 Pro is all about maximizing the camera at a minimum size and, significantly, sub 250G weight. The camera is excellent and even features the ability to switch to portrait mode, physically rotating the camera by remote control. This is ideal for social media-focused content creators on the go. Serious video makers will love the option of 10-bit video, too. With all the GPS features, not just return to home but even waypoint mission planning, you've got a lot of options. The all-round collision sensors offer the ability to automatically circumnavigate obstacles, so there are very high safety marks. The long battery life and 12 km radio range further increase confidence on the road. These features combine to make it an ideal drone, even if you're inexperienced. I was also impressed with how this ultralight handles wind, though obviously there are limits. If you stump up for the Fly More kit, you get a case with room for the controller, 3 batteries, and the device as well as spares. Choose the RC Pro remote with a built-in screen, and the system is a closed loop, no need for a phone to fly, which I find handy. Whichever remote you opt for, however, you can still transfer images and video to a device using quick transfer, which is pleasingly fast. Number 3. DJI Mini 4K. If you're looking for something to give you good-looking pictures from the near sky, the Mini 4K is ideal. It isn't the best camera, but it's broadly similar to many cell phones, and, crucially for a drone, it is supported on a gimbal. This gives real image stabilization, which makes for better video at 2.7K than you'd get at 4K with no, or only electronic stabilization. It's fun to create cinematic video effects, the drone or helix. They're not technically subject tracking, but the drone can keep the camera on a spot and orbit it or shoot upward while panning the lens down, which all looks good on social media. You can copy content from the Mini SD card using the app, not as fast as quick transfer, but perhaps something to do as you sip a drink at the end of a day on the beach, and, if you want more time in the air and nice case, the Fly More kit will oblige. Number 4. Insta360 X4. Okay, not actually a drone, but, in certain circumstances, the 360 degrees camera can give a similar perspective. Not only that, but it's smaller than an ultralight drone and won't challenge any aviation regulations, nor mind going underwater. Insta360 also offer a variety of length of extension pole, up to 3 meters, 10 feet, so you can get a pretty aerial view from a very public place even where drones are banned. Insta360's simple invisible selfie stick is a good start, and the software eliminates the stick itself from the view, giving the impression from flying. It records up to 8K from two opposing fisheye lenses, using a gyroscope, so it can effectively see in every direction at once, and capture good color and detail. You can crop this and stabilize the video after the fact, too, and the AI tools will help you focus on a subject, or you can watch 360-degree video with devices like VR glasses that let the viewer look around themselves. This Insta360 can also capture normal widescreen video if needed, potentially saving your phone from risky days out. The real fun, though, is using the fairly memory-hungry app to explore the results, selecting subjects to track, and extracting cropped video into something you can share. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3. At 221mm, 8.7 inches long, this isn't a tiny drone when folded, but the clip-on cover DJI supply protects its delicate parts without occupying much more space. Weight-wise, too, it certainly isn't light, but that is buying staggering flight times and a Hasselblad-branded dual-lens camera system. The large 4/3 sensor captures gorgeous detail in typical wide view, 84-degree FOV/24mm EFL, while a 12-megapixel offers 7x optical zoom, 162mm EFL, and 28x digital. As this sits at the top of DJI's consumer/pro range, as opposed to enterprise, it's no surprise that it features all-round collision sensors, smart collision avoidance, and a theoretical 15 km, 8-mile range. In other words, there are safety features you'd trust with the kids, were it not for the price tag. If you're vacationing in beautiful, scenic, and slightly remote locations away from crowds, where weight regulations matter more, you could ask for a little more. We wanted the zoom camera to be as good as the main one, but it is still better than most. That's the list 5 insane mini drones. Which one fits your style? Comment below. I reply to every question at product links for every drone you saw are in the description. Click them. Prices change fast. If this helped you, drop a like, share this with a friend who loves flying, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next one. Fly safe.